Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just want to show you guys how I brush my brushes. This is hard and a hard brush. The other one, I don't recall the name, but I just want to show you how I do it. Remember, the wood is real sensitive, so you gotta be careful. What I do, I wet the bristles on the surface, you know. I just damp them. I let the water, you know, a little damp. And I apply, you guys know, shampoo right here. Put a little on top. Remember, we always using the brush, but we never clean them. We think we clean them because we washing our hair with it and everything. That's a foul. Use your fingers, go through the bristles. You see, it's not foaming up, it's not lather, so that means it's dirty. Just a little bit. I use my palm like this a little bit, and my fingers inside, so I don't create a lot of mess. As you can see, you see the mess. So use your hand right here, pour the water. You don't want the water to go inside the wood. Inside the wood, it could crack it. So just, you know. You can put water in the wood, but only you put it to dry and put it upside down. Keep it down so the water goes inside the hole and crack the wood, you know. I'm gonna clean it up after I finish. I want to show you guys I'm doing that in sync. And on top of it, kind of uncomfortable. Let's see. There we go. Some water. You can put water in the wood, you know. No problem with that. The main key is you put it to dry. Put it to dry. Don't put it like this. Put it like that. So all the water just go down. Don't go inside the wood. A little bit more. Use your palm just to create lather. You want to see the difference. Just look at my hands, you see? I was foaming up. That means, you know, it's clean. Look, the brush is already clean. Look how it's lathering. Just a little tip for you guys, you know, for you using the brush for the whole week. You know, for the pomades and oils and all these kind of things on your head. You forget about your brushes. You gotta show love to your brushes. See? Just let me know that the brush is clean already. So, it's warming up. Look at the lather. I said the brush is clean. I don't have to go extra with it. So I clean my brushes. I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna use 2 brushes. This is the hard one. Okay. So put a little bit of water out. Put it to the side, you see? And some clean bristles. But look at this one. This one is dirty. I could feel the grease. See? See the bird between? Not gonna see it too much, but it's blanking a little bit. You wanna see the difference? If you got shampoo, you know what I'm saying, spend it. Why not? I'm using my palm just to get the soap inside. You see, it's not even, look, it's a lot of dirt. It's not even lather. What I do, I put my fingers all the way down to the wood. Make sure I scrub all that debris, all that dirt, all that pomade, oils, everything that you used the whole week. You always gotta do that. Like, you do it weekly, depends on how many product you use. You know, you might have to do it weekly. Honestly, I do it weekly. Don't worry about this thing, I clean that up. You see, it's no lather. Look at that. It's a lot of dirt. Now look at the difference. Use my palm, put all the way inside. You want to see the lather start coming up. The brush is going to let you know if it's still dirty. It's going to let you know eventually. You're going to see. So let's see what happened with this one. Maybe I'm going to do second wash. When we paint. Let me see. See a little bit of dirt. It's not lathering, so that means it's still a little dirty. This is my palm and my fingertips at the same time going inside, you know. Get that dirt out. I don't use a lot of pomade, you know what I'm saying? That's the same thing with your hair. Use a lot of pomade. Get all that. You see? Don't worry about the water. You can use the water like this. Yes, when you put it to dry, just put it, you know, put it like that. You put it like this. Put it like that. That way your wood don't get filled up with water. You won't go inside the bristles and damage the wood. Let's see. This one was small dirt. The other one. See what happens though. Second wash. See? Lather up. That means the dirt's already out. That's a good sign. You brush, you use the shampoo, you get lather. It's the same thing with your hair. You brush your hair until you see the lather coming out. If you don't get lather, that means you still got dirt in your hair. So that's what you gotta do. See how it lather up? You see? That means it's clean already. gonna scrub it. Boom. Okay. Wash it out. Boom. Cool. Take out a little bit of water like this. It will dry faster. Whoa. Look at the bristles. So let's clean them. That's how you clean your brushes. Take your time with it. The same thing with your hair. Same thing you do with your hair, you do with the bristles. You clean your brushes. Alright? I'm out of here. Peace.